Okay, so we are live one more time, and good evening, everyone. Welcome to School Life versus College Life Instagram page, and we all are excited. Me, all the fans, and Helisha is going to join us very soon. So I'm waiting for her. Let's see. Oh, Team Raghav Jial is back. Welcome, Team Raghav Jial. How are you? And yes. Okay. And we are waiting. In few moments, Heli will be joining. Yes, yes.
Hi, how are you? Hi guys.
Yeah, I am good. What about आप कैसे हैं इस वक्त?
मैं बिल्कुल ठीक हूँ. मैं
Yeah, I could see
एकदम ठीक हूँ.
the lives are happening and you are fully occupied even in lockdown.
I try to keep myself busy. I mean that's what you know it matters. थोड़ा productive भी होना चाहिए.
Right.
And हाँ कभी कभी लेजी भी रहते हैं पूरा दिन but I try कि मैं कुछ ना कुछ productive अच्छा करती हूँ.
Great, great. But thank you for your precious time. And as you have so many fans, and I have endless list of questions with me. You might have answered many in other lives, but yeah, I will not disappoint the fans. And let me tell the audience, we have very lovely, very cute. We have the angel Helisha live with us right now.
बाप रे, thank you.
Yeah. बिकॉज फैंस ने मुझसे रिक्वेस्ट किया था कि मैम को अच्छे से आप एकदम अच्छे से इंट्रोड्यूस करेंगे एंड देन
Thank you.
so first of all about your profile picture you have changed it to Maharashtra so people
हाँ
want to about that
यार it's just to support them यार अभी का जो situation है I think it's really you know affecting everyone and mostly to the people those are working for us right जो घर पे नहीं है जो आज भी हमारे लिए हमारी सेफ्टी के लिए इतना कुछ कर रहे हैं so this is just I think a small gesture to support them and you know probably make them happy a little
great but great we all appreciate that and
bit. Please do that.
yeah so Reena है from Indonesia and ये पूछ रही है what things make you angry and upset in life
क्या चीज मुझे गुस्सा दिलाती है
yes
यार बहुत सारी चीजें हो सकती है एक्चुअली मैंने अभी 2 घंटे पहले एक लाइव किया एंड उसमें आई आंसर दिस क्वेश्चन आई एम वेरी पर्टिकुलर अबाउट यू नो cleanliness and things are supposed to be at their desired places only मतलब कहीं इधर उधर होनी नहीं चाहिए so I get really irritated and angry at times जब चीज़ें अपनी जगह पर नहीं होती है and probably जब मुझे खाना टाइम पर नहीं मिलता है आई थिंक दैट्स ऑल्सो वन थिंग आई एम वेरी पर्टिकुलर अबाउट द टाइमिंग ऑफ माई खाना सो शायद वो चीज़ भी मुझे थोड़ा इरिटेट करती है आई नीड माई मील्स एट प्रॉपर टाइम बिकॉज मैं भूख बर्दाश्त नहीं कर सकती सो या एंड मे बी अ लॉट ऑफ कपल थिंग्स
okay great to know that if someone disappoints you in life what will you do to them if somebody
if someone what
disappoints you in life
यार मेरा मानना है कि हर कोई आप मतलब यू नो आप हर किसी को प्लीज नहीं कर सकते हो आप हर किसी को खुश नहीं रख सकते हो इट कैन बी मी ऑल्सो मतलब मैं भी हर किसी के लिए अच्छी नहीं हो सकती हूँ ना ही हर कोई मेरे लिए अच्छा हो सकता है सो दैट इज कम्प्लीटली ओके आई एम नॉट मेच्योर आई एम अ मेच्योर पर्सन अगर किसी से मैं डिसअपॉइंट हुई हूँ तो आई प्रॉबली थिंक अबाउट मे बी द रीजन्स यू नो क्या हुआ हो सकता है या मे बी यू प्रॉबली ट्राई टू थिंक द अदर पर्सन्स यू नो think the way other person is thinking and try to figure out and मैं ऐसे नहीं लेकर बैठी रहूंगी. आई यूज टू बी दैट काइंड ऑफ पर्सन बिकॉज यार छोटे होते हो आप, इनएक्सपीरियंस्ड होते हो, आपने दुनिया नहीं देखी होती, अब मे भी आपको उतनी समझ नहीं होती है. दुनिया तो आज भी उतनी नहीं देखी है एज इन, बट वही है, पहले शायद आप छोटी छोटी बातों को लेकर बैठ जाते थे, अभी ऐसा नहीं होता है. So yeah, it is completely okay. Not everybody can please, or
Okay, so
not you can please everybody.
yeah, Harry is going well.
Absolutely fine.
Great to know that. So yesterday was Mother's Day. So can you share a moment of yours with your mother? Any lovely moment?
Any what?
Lovely moment or memorable moment with your mother, and how did you celebrate it?
How can I describe only one moment? ऐसे तो बहुत यार माँ के साथ का जो रिश्ता होता है वो सबसे ज़्यादा स्पेशल होता है, and I'm the closest to my mom. So yeah, I mean obviously ऐसा कोई celebration नहीं था because I feel कि वो एक दिन नहीं होना चाहिए to celebrate Mother's Day. Every day should be for her because she's given you so much. She still gives you so much every single day, and I mean it was normal. ऐसा कुछ there was nothing special that me and my brother did, and any which ways in our family nobody is very expressive. We all are very less expressive, if that makes any sense.
Okay.
हाँ.
Okay. So next one, Malika is requesting you to take her name.
Who?
Malika.
Malika. Hi, Malika.
And Sanya is here. Sanya. So can you
Hi,
take her name?
Sanya. Hi, Prajwal. Hi, Renita, Cotton 3. They're very hi, Vidhi.
Okay. So Unica is here from Asia.
Hi,
And
Unica.
if you remember me, it's me, Unica, one of your crazy fans. And do you like reading novels?
Not really. नॉवेल से ज़्यादा आई प्रॉबली लाइक टू रीड. मेरे पास बहुत ज़्यादा बुक्स नहीं है, बट मेरे पास जितनी भी बुक्स है उसमें 3-4 नॉवेल्स है जो मैंने कभी नहीं पढ़ी है या फिर थोड़ी सी शुरू की है एंड देन आई नेवर रेड. बट आई रियली लाइक बुक्स दैट इंस्पायर यू एंड सेल्फ मोटिवेटिंग बुक्स एंड सेल्फ ग्रोथ के लिए जो भी बुक्स होती है. सो आई हैव अ कपल ऑफ देम एंड मैं मोस्टली वो रीड करना प्रेफर करती हूँ.
Okay, great to know. Things that make you feel calm in life.
Things that
Make you feel calm in life. Calm.
Things that make me feel calm depends on what I want to do at that time. As in,
Okay.
kabhi mostly it is if I'm in a very different sort of mental space, so mostly मैं अकेले रहना ज़्यादा पसंद करती हूँ. If I want to keep myself calm and make myself calm. अगर दिमाग में बहुत ज़्यादा कुछ चीज़ें चल रहा है, there are days when I want to listen to music or maybe there are days when I just go out of the house and start shopping because sometimes it just makes me a little calmer in a way.
Okay.
And या फिर कभी-कभी stress में I like to eat. A lot of people like to eat, stress eating.
Right.
So वो मुझे पसंद आता है, मैं काफी बार ऐसा करती हूँ and then at the end I regret when I'm all normal, but it's okay.
Lovely. Some old school is asking, what's your fitness mantra now?
कौन है? I think that's my sir. What is the Insta ID? Fitness mantra. I think जिन्होंने question पूछा है, he's my trainer. जिनके बिना मेरे लिए वर्कआउट करना बड़ा मुश्किल होता है. But his name is Somnath sir and मैंने जितना भी सीखा है, जितना भी आता है मुझे उन्होंने ही सिखाया है. और फिटनेस मंत्र कुछ नहीं है. There are days when I'm really demotivated and stuff like that, but he tries to motivate me एंड आई एम गुड, आई एम हैप्पी कि यू नो वो मेरे अंदर वो चीज़ डाल पाए हैं, यू नो द इम्पोर्टेंस ऑफ बीइंग fit and healthy, physically and mentally both. So yeah.
Great. Kavati wants to know what type of ideal guy do you want in your life? Any qualities in your dream partner?
Such a frequently asked question, yaar. See, there are few basic things जो हर लड़की एक लड़के में देखती है. Honesty, loyalty. I think for me, he has to be ambitious. He has to, you know, it's very important to understand each other, because अगर वो एक चीज़ नहीं होती है तो बहुत ज़्यादा मन मुटाव हो सकता है. And it's very important to understand each other's comfort level also, कि उसको क्या कब ज़रूरत हो सकती है या इस टाइम पे क्या बेटर हो सकता है. And I think giving each other space at the same time is very, very important. And yeah, I think these are a couple of things.
Okay,
और
so
ज़्यादा
would
मैं
he consider himself eligible? मैम करिए, मैम filter cut start करेंगे.
क्या
I am saying whoever consider himself eligible for this after listening to the qualities ma'am want, kindly DM and start approaching. Ma'am कुछ good हुआ तो she will start filtering.
नहीं.
Okay, Shruti and Chahat ये जानना चाहते हैं, tell us about your music videos with KV Dillon.
Tell us about what?
About your music videos with KV Dillon.
यार आई डोंट नो व्हेन इट्स हैपनिंग. जब कभी कुछ होगा तो आपको पता चल जाएगा. सो आई थिंक इट्स नॉट राइट टू कीप ऑन आस्किंग कि कब हो रहा है. जब होगा तो आई थिंक पता चल जाएगा, राइट?
Okay,
So
okay.
yeah.
Shada and Jihan, to please take their names. Shada.
Hi Shraddha. Hi Neha.
Jihan.
Jihan. Hi Jihan.
Yeah.
Hi Ritvik.
Yeah. Ratani wants to know who is the closest to Harry, father or mother?
Mother.
Okay. Okay. If we meet one day, will Harry hug? Ratni is asking.
Sorry?
Ratni is asking if she gets a chance to meet with you, will you hug her?
Of course, why not? I mean, it always is very special to meet all of you, and the kind of love and the kind of support that you all show. I think बहुत मुश्किल है किसी को इस तरीके से प्यार करना जब आपको पता है कि शायद वो इंसान इसी फर्स्टली आप उससे मिले नहीं हो. You just watch them on social media or maybe television or somewhere else, and you know कि शायद आपका मैसेज उन तक पहुँचे ना पहुँचे, whatever. So it really always means a lot. And हाँ, क्या मैं आपके साथ बहुत सारी बातें करूँगी, आपके बारे में जानूंगी. So yeah.
Lovely. Helisha Hanai, they wants to know, do you like to watch any Turkish series?
मैंने अपने वॉच लिस्ट में बहुत सारी टर्किश फिल्म्स और फिल्म्स में एक्चुअली 2-4 देख चुकी हूँ, बट सीरीज में मैंने वॉच लिस्ट में डाली है, बट आई हैव नॉट वॉच्ड इट. Maybe we have so much time, so maybe I'll watch it.
Okay. How was the experience working with Manish? I think most of people have asked, would you like to work with him?
Yeah. Why not? हम लोगों ने 2 साल साथ में काम किया है, and we had great time. So of course फिर से अगर मौका मिलेगा तो बिल्कुल काम करना चाहूँगी.
Great. Helisha, fan idea आपका, and they want to know what will be the first thing you will do once this lockdown gets over?
There are a couple of things यार, I don't know. मैं actually बहुत बार ये आंसर कर चुकी हूँ, but maybe उस टाइम पे जो मुझे फील होगा मैं वही करूँगी. Maybe I'll just take my car and roam and एक चक्कर लगा के आ जाऊँगी, और maybe I'll not go out, or मे बी आई डोंट नो उस टाइम पे क्या मैं सोचूंगी, उस टाइम पे जो मुझे फील होगा मैं वो करूंगी. सो या.
ओके ग्रेट. एक आपका फैन पेज है z.halisha, वो आपको बोलते हैं कैन यू ओपन योर यूट्यूब चैनल.
I don't want to. I know a lot of people are making, videos on YouTube and they're opening their own channel. But never felt like doing that. Though I do watch a couple of, YouTube videos जब मुझे कभी बोर होता है, and it's fun at times to watch. But I don't know. मुझे नहीं
ओके चलो लेट्स होप कभी मन मांगेगा तो बना लेंगे.
हाँ, जब मन किया तो बना लेंगे.
या हु इज योर फेवरेट क्रिकेट प्लेयर.
See, I don't understand cricket much, but एक इंसान की मैं बहुत बड़ी फैन हूँ, which is धोनी. बस I really love him, so yeah.
Great. The whole country loves him, the whole nation loves him.
Yes.
Most embarrassing moment of your school life.
Most embarrassing moment of school.
School life. Yes.
I don't know, बहुत सारे embarrassing moments होते हैं हमारी लाइफ में, और स्कूल टाइम में स्पेशली. ऐसा कुछ स्पेसिफिक याद नहीं आ रहा है, बट maybe there was this one time जब we were in 7th or 8th standard and हम पूरी क्लास ने कुछ तो किया था. I don't really remember, but हम सबको नर्सरी के क्लासरूम में ले गए थे, हम 50-60 लोगों को, 60 बच्चों को, एंड वहाँ पर जाके हाथ ऊपर करके बिठा दिया था, और पूरे 2 लेक्चर्स 2 पीरियड तक, आई थिंक 2 या 1 पीरियड तक हम वैसे ही थे, एंड वाज वेरी एम्बैरेसिंग फॉर ऑल ऑफ अस.
Okay.
ऐसे तो बहुत सारे रहे हैं यार.
Okay. Insa is asking what are you eating heavy, right?
What are you
Eating.
eating? I am eating boiled aloo with some chaat masala and chutney. It looks really मैं दिखाना नहीं चाहूंगी. It looks really, it's a little mashed potatoes. और
Okay.
उसमें सिर्फ चाट मसाला और चटनी डाला है. दिखने में बहुत अजीब दिख रहा है, तो मैं दिखाऊंगी नहीं.
Ellie Diaries मदद रिक्वेस्ट करें, उनका नाम दे.
Sorry.
It's okay.
Hi Mannat. Hi Butterfly SA6. Hi Garg Mohit. Hi D Rutika 26. Hi Abhi. Hi Hilly Pearls. Hi guys. Thank you for joining in. Hi Nikki. How are you? I am very good, yaar. What's happening?
Yeah. Pereira Vilma is here from Argentina and she says lots of greeting to you from Argentina. Pereira Vilma.
Thank you so much. Lots of love to you too. And I hope आप सब safe हैं अपने घर पे, बाहर नहीं आ रहे हैं. Hi Nidhi. Hi.
Okay. Even people are requesting please say hi to all your South Indian fans.
In general, सबको hi.
And do you love watching South Indian movies? Any of your favorite?
Sorry.
Do you love watching South Indian movies? Any of your favorite South Indian movies?
मैंने बहुत नहीं देखी है honestly, so and अभी मुझे ऐसे कोई याद भी नहीं आ रही है.
Okay. Insa wants to know how do you deal with your haters?
क्या डील करना है उसमें? See, I know the fact that like I said कि हर कोई आपको प्लीज नहीं कर सकता है, ना ही आप हर किसी को प्लीज कर सकते हो और खुश रख सकते हो. अगर आपके चाहने वाले हैं तो at the same time आपके ना चाहने वाले भी होंगे. So I mean, I don't think there is something to deal with it. It is completely fine if somebody hates me or doesn't like me. It is their choice and it's their opinion about me. So मुझे उससे कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ना चाहिए और नहीं पड़ता है.
Okay. Helisha Angel करके एक ID है. They want to know if the production house asks you to cut your hair short at the shoulder length for the role, will you do it?
मैंने एक बार हाँ कर दूंगी, बट ऑल्सो मुझे यू नो वर्थ इट लगना चाहिए जो भी चीज़ मैं कर रही हूँ उसके लिए. एंड यार बाय चॉइस तो आप कुछ भी कर लेते हो, बट इफ समथिंग यू नो इफ माय रोल डिमांड्स एंड यू नो आई would want to do it तो मैं कर लूंगी. But otherwise also there are a lot of options यार. Like Sultanate had short hair, but I wasn't ready to cut my hair that time because I love my hair and तो नहीं, but there are different options, so which is okay.
Okay. Second question is, what are your targets for the next 5 years of your career and your upcoming shows? Any web series you would like to work on?
यार बहुत सारी चीज़ें हैं दिमाग में, बट आई don't plan a lot of things, but I do keep thinking about it, and I keep those things in my mind, and I choose not to discuss with people, so I hope you get
Okay.
the answer.
Okay. चलिए आते वक्त हमें मिल जाएगा कमिंग टाइम. मैम, would you like to work in web series?
हाँ बिल्कुल. ये भी मैं सवाल इतनी बार सवाल का जवाब दे चुकी हूँ.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. And when will you be back on screen? People are asking, मैम कब आप वापस आएंगे? लॉकडाउन खत्म होगा.
लॉकडाउन खत्म होगा तो होपफुली सबको हमारा शो देखने को मिलेगा. एंड हाँ, बिकॉज लॉकडाउन खत्म होगा तो वी बी एबल टू स्टार्ट आवर शूट वंस अगेन, एंड थिंग्स विल eventually get back to normal.
Okay. Do you love traditional wear or modern style? Helisha Shanamga.
I'm a very moody person. Everything depends on my mood. There are days jab I want to be in shorts and loose t-shirts. There are days when I really want to dress up in my kurta and nice plazo and patta. So yeah.
Okay.
But I'm more
Yeah,
of
please
Western than Indian.
sorry. Please go ahead.
नहीं कुछ नहीं. मैं कह रही थी कि बट मेरे पास इंडियन कलेक्शन कम है देन compared to Western.
Okay. So Heli Best एक Insta ID है and they want to know your favorite actor from Turkish.
See, like I said, मैंने बहुत नहीं देखे हैं टर्किश शोज, तो मेरा अभी ऐसा कोई फेवरेट नहीं है. बहुत क्या, मैंने इनफैक्ट कुछ ऐसा देखा नहीं है स्पेसिफिक टू हैव माय फेवरेट.
Okay. Helisha Group is asking when we will be planning to visit Egypt.
See, right now I think you all should not even ask about visiting other countries for now. Not just to me but to everybody, please, because it's not going to be safe at least this year, and थोड़ा सा ट्रैवलिंग और उन सारी चीज़ों को वापस ट्रैक पे आने में थोड़ा सा टाइम लगेगा. सो ऑब्वियसली नॉट दिस ईयर फॉर श्योर. But though Egypt में there's this festival by Nile which happens every year, and I was in talks for that, and I was supposed to come to your country, but obviously we have another situation to deal with, so maybe next year.
चलिए लेट्स होप लॉकडाउन खत्म हुआ एंड सिचुएशन सही हो तो हम जरूर जाएंगे. माहिया शर्मा हैज अ कंप्लेंट एंड शी वांट्स टू नो व्हाई हेली डजंट रिप्लाई टू फैंस on Instagram.
I do check your DM, but हाँ, I agree, I admit कि मैं reply नहीं करती हूँ उतना, but I'll make sure that I do that.
Okay. Helisha Adorer एक Insta and they want to know any funny moment from Shutiana set you would like to share.
बहुत रहे हैं, ऐसा स्पेसिफिक याद नहीं आ रहा है, बट आई थिंक हमने हमारे आउटडोर में बहुत ज़्यादा मस्ती की थी. आई थिंक दैट वाज वन ऑफ द मोस्ट मेमोरेबल आउटडोर
Okay.
shoot schedule I've had. So that was really fun, and in the hotel also after the shoot and stuff like that, I think we all had a lot of fun.
Great, great. If you have to choose out of pani puri or popcorn, which option will you go?
Shit, it's a very difficult question. Pani puri and popcorn. Matlab, it's a part of it's a part of me. ठीक है, तो it's very difficult to choose anyone. So I
Okay.
can't choose.
You will take both, right?
Of course, I love popcorn like anything, and I love pani puri. तो दोनों में से एक choose करना is very difficult.
Okay. Unlimited food or unlimited data during lockdown?
I think data.
Okay. Okay. So
Let's
there
be
is one.
honest.
Okay. Yeah. One message is there for you. You're living away from your parents for your career. At some point, it might be difficult for you, and you must have cried. Has it happened with you that you are missing your parents and your
Of course, I
in,
miss them, but I've not cried. To
okay.
be honest, I talk to them obviously every day, twice, thrice a day, and I've stayed alone almost since so many years actually. तो but हाँ रोई नहीं मैं.
Okay, okay. Thank God नहीं रोए and fans भी नहीं चाहेंगे कि please आप कभी भी ask करो. Yeah. So top 5 widely used application on your phone. 5
Top 5 widely used applications.
social media apps.
Um, um, Instagram, YouTube, WhatsApp. What else? और क्या होता है? My mail.
Netflix.
But I think मेल ज़्यादा यूज नहीं करती हूँ. नेटफ्लिक्स यार मोस्टली टीवी में फोन में कम होता है, तो आई नॉट चूज नेटफ्लिक्स एंड Amazon and all those
Okay.
apps, but
Snapchat.
I don't have
TikTok.
that. Yeah, maybe that. At times I do use it. And
Google Chrome.
yeah, correct. Yeah.
Okay. So lots of people are commenting in. If you would like, you can take if you want to take some.
Hi Sarimul Chaud. Hi Helisha Official 8. Hi Shivam Pushkar. Hi Room. Hi Hekal Twins 188. Hi Deloise Gary 2. There's some really weird IDs. Eliza Zarnold 106. Hi guys.
Hana
Shubha.
is saying hi to.
Hi Hana. Hi Elisha. FPX01. Hi King Aftab. Hi.
Alicia is requesting it's a birthday. Alicia from United Kingdom. She's saying it's her birthday today. You wish. Alicia.
Happy birthday Elisha. I hope आप सेफ है अपने घर में and you're having a nice family time with your family on your birthday, and please don't be sad, because I know a lot of people are sad actually, कि ऐसे क्वारंटीन में बर्थडे मना रहे हैं and they're not able to go out, but just इसको भी experience करो and have fun at your home only. And hi Pratiksha. Hi.
Elizabeth is here from Indonesia. She's also requesting. It's her birthday also.
Happy birthday Elizabeth. May God bless you, and may you have an amazing quarantined birthday.
Ma'am, do you have 5 minutes? I have one small fun segment which I would like to have.
Okay, let's do it.
Yeah, Delhi the food is saying, ma'am, एक बार shout out दे दो. Delhi the food.
दिल्ली के फूड, अरे आई लव दिल्ली का फूड. मतलब ऐसे मुंह में पानी आ जाता है just by saying it, because it is so freaking tasty. I love it. And like I said, when I went for Sufyana's outdoor schedule to Delhi, तब मैंने proper दिल्ली का जो street side खाना होता है वो मैंने खाया था, and I went crazy over it. It is so good. It is so good. You know, इतना hype सुना था, but never knew कि क्यों. But जब
Right.
खाया तब ऐसा लगा कि oh, this is, you know, worth all the hype and even
Okay.
more actually.
Yeah. So Atishek is asking me Delhi or Gujarati food. कौन सा better है?
कौन सा गुजराती या?
दिल्ली का food.
See, it's very difficult to choose any one between pani puri and popcorn. The same way, it's difficult to choose, you know, one कि दिल्ली का food better है या गुजराती food better है. I like both, so I'll not
Okay.
choose one.
Okay. So मेरे पास एक छोटा सा fun segment है.
Okay.
आप comedy movies देखती हैं?
आप comedy
Movies कितनी देखती हैं?
बहुत ज़्यादा
Have you
नहीं
watched
देखती.
it? Okay. So
Watch very less.
Okay.
movies. Comedy.
मेरे कुछ बॉलीवुड के फनी डायलॉग्स हैं फ्रॉम फेमस आइकॉनिक कॉमेडी फिल्म्स. मैं आपको बताऊंगा, यू हैव टू जस्ट गेस द नेम ऑफ द मूवी.
I am horrible at it. मैं पहले
fair.
बता रही हूँ, I'll not be able to answer because I have this really bad thing कि I can't remember dialogue as in, you know, film dialogues की and ये सारी चीजें मेरे लिए याद रखनी, I think it's very difficult. मुझसे नहीं हो
But it's
पाता है
very
for
easy.
some reason.
Chलिए,
Let's try.
Yeah, I'll
We'll
give the
see.
easy
एक तो
one.
अगर मैं आंसर कर पाई then we'll move ahead. Otherwise I'm going to stop.
Okay, fine. And fans, if you are going to, you can also answer. अगर मैम को नहीं है, so you can support her.
हाँ, please answer on my behalf.
Okay, so first one is आलू ले लो, कांदा ले लो, सुबह से ना एक आलू.
Welcome.
See, who told कि आपको नहीं आ रहा है यार?
See, ऐसी
Great.
कुछ चीजें याद रहती हैं.
Okay. Next one. You are a good question, but the question hurts me.
Shit, I don't know this. I don't remember. No,
This is the sequel of one movie.
नहीं पता मुझे.
Kangna Ranaut.
Oh, Tanu is Manu.
Tanu
Returns.
at Manu. Right. Great. Next one. दोस्त फेल हो जाए तो दुख होता है, लेकिन दोस्त फर्स्ट आ जाए तो ज्यादा दुख होता है.
3 Idiots? No. Right?
Easy.
Hi, Balraj. Thanks,
Yeah.
yaar.
Next one is साला छोटा गंगा बोल के नाले में खुदा दिया.
What?
साला छोटी गंगा बोल के नाले में खुदा दिया.
सुना सा है पर याद नहीं आ रहा है.
Anyone from the audience? इसमें अभिषेक बच्चन है, भूमिका चावला है.
I don't know.
Run is the name of it.
I've not watched the movie.
Okay. Next one. क्राइम मास्टर गोगो नाम में मेरा, आंखें निकाल कर गोटियां खेलता हूँ.
अंदाज अपना. No.
Right.
हाँ.
Last one. बदतमीज, चद्दर की कमीज, लोहे का पजामा, बंदर तेरा मामा, अरे बिल्ली तेरी मौसी, कुत्ता तेरा यार, आम का अचार, आजा मेरे यार.
ये जवानी है दीवानी? No.
ना,
No, sorry.
इसमें अक्षय
रणबीर
कुमार है.
कपूर. Oh shit,
अक्षय
अच्छा.
कुमार.
मुझसे शादी करोगी?
Right.
Yeah.
See, you know all the dialogues.
Yeah.
Okay. So I think I have covered most of the questions from fans. So last one question I would like to take, thoda hypothetical. So the question is, if you have entire world's attention towards you for 30 seconds, what will you say to the world? What message you would like to give?
Damn. I think I'll be speechless. I'll not say anything. I'll be speechless.
But 30 seconds you have to speak something. At
30
least to your
सेकंड में
fans.
क्या ही बोलूंगी. 30 सेकंड में क्या ही बोलूंगी. I don't
चलिए
think
आप
I'll
पूरा टाइम कहते हैं फैंस के लिए एटलीस्ट एनी लास्ट मैसेज एनीथिंग बिफोर वी रैप अप दिस लाइव सेशन
Thank you for joining in. Thank you for coming here and saying hi and watching this live with us. And it was fun. बहुत आपने रिक्वेस्ट किया था, हम काफी टाइम से you are trying to follow up and okay. But yes, thank you. This was really fun and stay safe, guys. Stay home and bus this too shall pass. घर पे रहिए, positive रहिए and thank you. Bye.
Yeah. Thank you for joining in and
Bye.
stay
Thank
safe.
you.
Lots of luck to you ahead.
You too. Thank you. Bye.
Thank you.